Are you looking for a way to protect your wealth in uncertain times? What if I told you there's an investment that's been trusted for centuries? In today's video, we're diving into the world of precious metals, gold, silver, and more. We'll explore how they can diversify your portfolio, act as a hedge against inflation, and provide a safe haven during economic instability. Whether you're new to investing or looking to add something solid to your strategy, stick around to learn the benefits and best ways to invest in precious metals. Inflation. Hedge. One of the primary reasons investors flock to precious metals, particularly gold, is their historical role as a hedge against inflation. When the purchasing power of currency declines due to inflation, precious metals tend to retain or even increase their value. This is because metals like gold are not tied to any specific currency or government, making them a reliable store of wealth during inflationary periods. In fact, gold has been used as a hedge against inflation for centuries, providing protection when paper money loses value. Portfolio diversification. Diversification is a key principle of sound investing. The goal of diversification is to spread risk by investing in a variety of asset classes. By adding precious metals to a portfolio that already includes stocks, bonds, or real estate, you can reduce the overall risk of your investments. Precious metals tend to be less correlated with traditional financial markets, meaning that when stocks or bonds underperform, the value of precious metals may remain stable or even rise. This lack of correlation can help smooth out the volatility of your overall portfolio, making it less susceptible to market fluctuations. Store of value. Precious metals have always been seen as a reliable store of value. Unlike paper currencies, which can lose value due to inflation or changes in government policy, precious metals maintain their worth over time due to their intrinsic properties. Gold and silver, in particular, have been used as currency and a means of wealth preservation for thousands of years. Their scarcity and universal demand contribute to their long-standing reputation as a secure form of wealth. Tangible asset. Investing in precious metals offers the advantage of owning a tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, which are intangible and subject to market fluctuations, precious metals are physical items that you can hold in your hand. This tangibility provides a sense of security for many investors, as they can store and safeguard their assets independently. This is particularly attractive during times of economic uncertainty, when paper assets like stocks and bonds may lose value. Ways to invest in precious metals. There are several methods for investing in precious metals, each with its own advantages and considerations. Choosing the right method depends on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. Number 1. Physical bullion. The most straightforward way to invest in precious metals is by purchasing physical bullion. Bullion refers to the metal in its purest form, typically available as coins or bars. You can buy gold, silver, platinum, or palladium bullion from a reputable dealer, and once purchased, you can store the bullion in a secure location, such as a bank vault or a home safe. Owning physical bullion gives you direct ownership of the metal, and there is no risk of counterparty default. However, owning physical bullion comes with its own set of challenges, such as storage and insurance costs, as well as the need to ensure the security of the metal. Furthermore, liquidating physical bullion can take time, especially if you need to sell large quantities. Number 2. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. For those looking for a more liquid and cost-effective way to invest in precious metals, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are a popular option. ETFs track the price of precious metals and allow investors to gain exposure to the metal without actually owning the physical commodity. By investing in an ETF, you can benefit from the price movements of the metal without having to worry about storage or security. ETFs offer several advantages, including ease of trading and lower costs, compared to owning physical bullion. They are traded on stock exchanges, making it easy to buy and sell shares. However, ETFs also come with management fees and may not provide the same level of security as owning physical metal, as you are dependent on the financial health of the ETF issuer. Number 3. Mining stocks. Another way to gain exposure to precious metals is by investing in mining stocks. Mining stocks represent shares in companies that are involved in the extraction and production of precious metals. These companies' fortunes are directly tied to the price of the metal they produce, so when the price of gold, silver, or other metals rises, the value of the mining company's stock may also increase. Investing in mining stocks can be more volatile than investing in physical bullion or ETFs, as these companies are subject to operational risks, such as changes in mining costs, regulatory challenges, and management decisions. However, mining stocks offer the potential for higher returns compared to physical metals or ETFs because they also reflect the profitability of the company, not just the price of the metal. Key considerations for investing in precious metals. While precious metals offer many benefits, several factors warrant careful consideration before investing. One major factor is storage costs. Physical gold and silver must be stored securely, either at home or in professional vaults. Many investors prefer third-party storage services for added security, but these can incur annual fees that accumulate over time. Liquidity is another critical aspect, referring to how easily you can buy or sell an asset. Gold and silver are generally highly liquid, but less common metals like platinum and palladium may pose challenges during low-demand periods. Additionally, precious metal prices can be volatile, with fluctuations driven by market conditions, interest rates, and demand changes. For instance, gold experienced significant price swings during the COVID-19 pandemic, reaching record highs in 2020 before pulling back. Investors should be prepared for such volatility and avoid investing money they cannot afford to lose. Lastly, fees associated with investing in precious metals, whether for physical bullion or ETFs, can impact potential returns, including dealer premiums, storage fees, and management costs. When to consider investing in precious metals, timing is crucial when investing in precious metals, as certain economic conditions can enhance their attractiveness. During periods of economic uncertainty, characterized by volatile stock markets, concerns over government debt, political instability, or global conflicts, investors often seek safe havens like precious metals to preserve their wealth. Gold, in particular, has served for centuries as a hedge against such turmoil. Additionally, if inflation is a concern, precious metals can mitigate the risk of eroding asset values. Gold and silver tend to perform well during high inflation, as their prices usually rise when fiat currencies decline. Furthermore, precious metals are generally viewed as long-term investments. Although prices may fluctuate in the short term, metals like gold and silver have historically maintained their value over time, making them ideal for preserving wealth across generations. Consequently, many investors incorporate a portion of their portfolios in precious metals as part of a broader long-term investment strategy, recognizing their potential for stability in uncertain economic environments. Investing in precious metals offers a range of benefits, from serving as a hedge against inflation to providing a tangible store of value. Whether you choose to invest in physical bullion, ETFs, or mining stocks, precious metals can play a valuable role in diversifying your portfolio and protecting your wealth during periods of economic uncertainty. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into smart investing strategies. Let us know in the comments. Are you considering adding precious metals to your portfolio? And as always, keep building a strong, diversified future. See you in the next video.